Gentlemen, we have received a question for a
Question?
request, a request for a quotation on a large quantity of newsprint paper, but it is impossible for us to supply the paper from our own mills because we can't make it up on rulers as is called in the inquiry. Full stop. We know that you have the equipment for making very large quantities of this type of paper quickly if necessary, and we should be glad if you would quote your best trade terms per 100 pounds for paper delivered exactly according to the attached specification. Full stop. As we wish to reply to the inquiry as quickly as possible, it is important that we receive your quotation by return mail. Very truly yours, close.